Welcome to the future of wealth creation. The buzz around artificial intelligence is deafening, and everywhere you look, people are asking, how can I make money with AI? In 2026, AI isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool reshaping industries and opening unprecedented opportunities for those who know how to leverage it. But let's be clear, not all advice is created equal. Many promises are empty, and many paths are already saturated. Today, we're cutting through the noise. In this definitive 7-minute guide, we'll explore the legitimate, high-potential strategies to generate significant income with AI in 2026. We'll dive into practical applications, real-world examples, and actionable steps you can take starting now. Get ready to transform your understanding of AI and unlock your earning potential. First, let's address the elephant in the room: what not to do. In 2026, the landscape has shifted dramatically. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes, the oversaturated markets like basic data entry or generic print-on-demand, and the fleeting trends like NFT flipping that have lost their luster. Casting down, these are often low-skill tasks that AI can now perform faster, cheaper, and more efficiently, leaving little room for human profit. The real opportunity lies in understanding where AI creates leverage and where it amplifies human expertise. We're moving beyond simple automation to intelligent collaboration. The key is to focus on outcome-based services, specialized niches, and building long-term value. So, let's discard the outdated notions and dive into the strategies that truly work. One of the most accessible and powerful avenues is creating niche AI agents and custom GPTs, too. Think of these as highly specialized digital assistants trained on a very narrow knowledge base. We're talking about an AI lawyer for real estate contracts, an AI dietitian for specific allergies, or an AI math tutor for 5th graders. The beauty? You don't necessarily need advanced programming skills, but a deep understanding of the niche is crucial. There are two primary monetization models here. First, GPT Store revenue sharing. If you build a truly useful assistant and publish it, platforms like OpenAI's GPT Store can pay you a share of the revenue based on user engagement. While it might not make you a millionaire overnight, a popular bot with 10,000 users could generate a steady $100 to $500 monthly, scaling higher with more users. Second, and perhaps more lucrative, is using a GPT as a client magnet. Here, the bot is often free, designed to solve a small problem for a potential client, build trust, and then guide them towards your main high-ticket service. Imagine an interior designer offering a free AI renovation cost estimator. The bot filters leads, saves the designer time, and pre-qualifies clients, potentially generating thousands in additional revenue for their core business. This is about leveraging AI to streamline your sales funnel and focus on high-value interactions. Moving into the B2B space, AI development and automation for small and medium businesses presents a massive opportunity. Many companies are eager to automate internal workflows but lack the expertise to implement AI solutions. This is where you come in. You can offer done-for-you AI services, studying a company's pain points and creating private AI assistants or automations to handle specific functions, from processing customer complaints to automating lead generation. Monetization typically involves a one-time setup fee ranging from $500 to $2,500, depending on complexity. This covers knowledge-based setup, prompt design, testing, and deployment. Crucially, you also establish a monthly maintenance fee, usually between $100 and $300, for ongoing data updates, prompt improvements, and support. With just 5 clients on retainers, you can generate a stable, almost passive income on top of new implementation work. For businesses, this is a cost-effective alternative to hiring, making your services highly valuable. Next, let's talk about AI-powered content creation and digital avatars. 2. The demand for content is insatiable, and AI is revolutionizing how we produce it. You can leverage AI for short-form video editing, social media copywriting, or even generating entire blog posts. The real game changer, however, is the rise of digital avatars and clones. Imagine running multiple social media channels, not by yourself, but with your digital twin or a completely fictional AI character. These avatars can publish content on your behalf in multiple languages across different platforms at a scale impossible for a single human. This allows for rapid experimentation to find what resonates with audiences and then scale the successful channels. Monetization here is diverse, from ad revenue through content multiplication, where one piece of content is adapted for various regions and languages, to licensing your digital likeness. If you have a recognizable image, companies might pay to use your AI-generated face in training materials or advertising, offering significant one-off payments or royalties. This is about building a scalable content machine and leveraging your personal brand in new digital ways. Host, voiceover, on-screen. For those looking beyond immediate income and aiming for substantial wealth, we enter the realm of long-term wealth and strategic AI plays. 1. This bucket requires patience, vision, and a commitment to building assets. It includes investing in AI-first founders, building your own AI software products, or acquiring small businesses and automating their operations with AI to boost profitability. Another powerful strategy is building a strong personal brand, which, when amplified by AI, can generate significant deal flow and opportunities. Think about subscription communities powered by AI curation, or licensing your unique AI playbooks and internal systems to other businesses. 2. These are not quick wins. They are about creating equity, recurring revenue streams, and leveraging automation to build sustainable empires. Success in this area hinges on ownership, recurring revenue, automation, and brand leverage. It's about playing the long game, understanding that compounding assets and strategic investments are the true drivers of generational wealth in the AI era. Host, voiceover / on-screen. In 2026, making money with AI isn't about chasing every shiny object. It's about strategic leverage. The winners will be those who 1. Pick one path and commit to it. 2. Sell specific, outcome-based results, not just hours. 3. Build robust systems that scale. 4. Stay consistent and patient. AI is not here to replace human ingenuity. It's here to amplify it. The opportunities are immense, but success demands focus and execution. So, choose your path, start building, and harness the incredible power of AI to create your financial future. If you found this guide valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of AI. What AI monetization strategy are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below.